Why ask me? Up and down, up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're back in the world of LOL Surprise. So we have the Trendsetter and Skater Cutie package here, and this is the new package that they no longer hide the surprise. So we can look right over here and see Trendsetter right of her packaging. So Trendsetter is the girl who's supposed to be the early 2000s girl. Some people say she's the Paris Hillman doll. So I definitely could see Paris, especially from the Simple Life series. I could definitely see that. And then naming her Trendsetter, I definitely want to get Skate Park Cutie as well. She's so pretty, and I've seen a lot of beautiful reviews of her and photos. But my girl Trendsetter, she was trending, so you know I had to pick her up. I'm gonna get her unboxed, and we're gonna be right back. We are back, so I'm gonna go over everything that's new since this is a new series and a new packaging. So these are some of the items that was at the bottom of the bag, and this kind of gave me nostalgia. So MGA, when I was like a small child, MGA used to put these little consumer things in there where you can write about your item or whatever like that. And I think this is pretty cool that they started to stuff these back inside again. They come with this little manual on how to manage the doll. She also comes with this cool little wallpaper. At first I thought it was a sticker or something. I don't think it's a sticker, but I think it just tells about her interests for the young at heart. So it looks like she's friends with Chillax and someone else. It looks like she's an artist. She's into design. And on the back of here, you can kind of see it says Fashion Finder, setting trends, meeting everyone, making friends. On the go, send me a text. I'll put you in the know, Trendsetter. So that's pretty cool. I like how they've allowed us a way to get to know her personality a little bit. So it says that she's an Aquarius. She's a BFF. Good news is coming. Don't be surprised if you are on the front page. January 20th through February 18th. Which is so cool. So this is what her little booklet gives. It's blue with hearts all over it. BFF journal. What's your star sign? So that's pretty cool. Of course, she comes with her bags, and we're going to open those up. She comes with this pink comb. But let's get into the background really quickly. So what does this background tell us that the other stuff didn't? So we can see that she's still into fashion. It looks like she is looking up different designs. She has a book on the couch. Her wall is very upscale, but at the same time creative. And it looks like her BFF. I don't know if that's supposed to be her in swag. If that is the case, it's funny because Paris Hilton is BFFs with Lil' Kim. So that would make sense. This is her makeup, her purse, and once again, upscale. And on the side the doll was in, it's just kind of blank. But just because we mentioned swag, you know, swag is always around. So you can see this is my swag doll next to the Trendsetter doll. So a doll from the first wave to the latest wave. And you can kind of see the difference in them. I think they look so cute together. Now, before we get into her doll, let's talk a little bit before we get into the blonde bags, let's look over the doll. So as you can see, here we have our homegirl Trendsetter. She comes with this white fluffy hat. Her hair does have gel in it, guys. The front is highly gelled. The ponytails, it's weird because the top half of the pony is gel, but this part is completely soft. So I may give her a wash or I may just comb it. I'm not sure yet. But her meat look, she comes with this beautiful floral top. It's white, blue, and green. Has a ribbon on it. She also comes with this velour sweatsuit, and it almost looks like the hoodie is big enough that it will fit right over her head. It's pink and blue, very soft material. It has the silver trim, the zipper details, the strings on it. It's just highly detailed, actually. I didn't expect that. And then we go down to her pants. She actually has the strings on it. Doesn't have any pockets, but it looks like it's some type of glitter on the side, or maybe it was supposed to be writing, I'm not sure. But this is the back, and it still has that silver detailing going all around to the bottom, and she did not come with shoes on, which means it's going to be in one of these bags. Now her nails are this pink color, so you guys can see that. Very beautiful girl. I'm loving her aesthetic, her blue eyes, her metallic lips. I'm loving her beauty mark. Like, overall, she's really pretty. So we have 4 blind bags. Let's see what's inside. So the first one I'm going to open up is the BB Boutique. So it looks like in this first bag we get the pink and white purse. Nothing inside, but that's cool. This is interesting. We didn't get a shoe box. We actually got a shoe bag. So let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. Okay, so they look very fancy. Mine has a little splotch mark on the side, but it looks like they're supposed to be princess heels or something like that. Okay, it's giving unique. Right, let's open up this one. All right, so this one came with a couple items. She has her orange shades with the silver trim going all the way around. So she comes with a cell phone, but it's an old school phone, so it actually opens and closes. It says meet up skate park tonight. So she must be talking about Skater Cutie. This is so cute. Why does everyone in this series have a broken heart? I mean, it's not too far from real life, but I'm just wondering, why does everyone have this broken heart symbol? Everyone's falling out of love. And these are her earrings. You can see that, very ritzy, the glitz and the glam of it all. Yes. So we have one last packaging. But look at this paper. It has like beepers, eyelashes, a CD that says summer playlist, hairpins, emails, candy. It's very cute. But the only thing that was inside was the skirt. So we will try that on her, but let's put some of her accessories on first to kind of see what this look will be giving. So I'm just gonna, they still have the left and right, which is cool. What do you guys think about LOL so far? What goes in your mind? Do you still have a favorite line or a favorite doll, or is it becoming a blur? Let me know. So I wanted to test the theory, and it does look like her cell phone can fit right inside of her purse. I think that is so cool. Attention to detail, MGA. I actually appreciate that. That's really cool that her cell phone can fit right inside. So it's interesting to see her her whole look together. Now this doll does, I believe, is the price range of $26. So what do I think? Well, you know, we get the cool glasses and we get a skirt and we get a brush and a stand. I don't know. I always feel like these BFF series could easily be $22 or, you know, something like that. And now that we have the box that, you know, we don't actually have to be surprised in a sense. So a lot of her accessories are a surprise, but the doll itself is no longer a surprise. What do I think about the new theme and the new gimmick? Well, I don't mind it. You know, I don't mind it at all. I think she looks really cool. I know in the beginning a lot of people in the doll community were on the fence because she has shorter hair. But I've decided that I wanted to give some of the short hair girls some support. So when I got Trendsetter, I also found Moonlight BB, and she also has shorter hair. So I will be reviewing her as well. I don't know whose review is going to go out first, but I'll be reviewing her as well. But overall, I think she's really, really beautiful. You guys want me to try this on her? Okay, let's see what it'll be giving. All right, and here is Trendsetter in her secondary look. Would I personally wear this? Well, it depends on the evening. I'm not highly impressed, but I'm also not disappointed. This can be a piece that we can mix and match. Like for me personally, I maybe wouldn't combine it, but I'm thinking if I had a similar top that was a solid tone, then this would be perfect. or this top, and I'm thinking a nice pants, that would have been awesome. But overall, this is what she's giving. This is without her hat on. You can see her highlights and everything like that. For those of you who are new to LOL OMGs, they do have articulation in the neck, at the shoulder, in the elbow, at the wrist. Hi, how are you? At the hips, and then they have the gummy bend and snap knees, as you can see, because one knee is already bent. And for those of you who have trouble, sometimes all you have to do is rub your fingers against the knees, heat it up, and then it will bend. It's simply because the plastic gets cool in transit. But I want to thank you guys for watching today. What do you think about the new BFF series? Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Are you impressed with the direction that LOL OMG is going in recently with the new packaging design and everything like that? I'm curious as to what you feel about it. Let me know by leaving me a comment below. Hey Kim, hey Paris. We have Trendsetter and swag. I can't wait to see what you guys tell me you think about these new dolls. But I will see you on my next one. And remember, I'm trying to get to 5K. So make sure you like the video. The likes do matter. And it lets me know that you guys are interested in seeing more. Me and Trendsetter, we're about to play with these fashions and maybe get this crunch factor taken care of. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. We're going to set some trends.